If you're mining tomato airdrop and you're faced with this cheating detected issue when you open your board, you could not actually see your tomato claim, that is your airdrop claim from this particular airdrop. This is very simple. Don't panic. This is just all you need to do. Just click on the appeal button at the bottom area on screen. So once you click on the appeal, if a particular form will be open for you, all you just have to do is fill in the form, and when you fill in the form, you this will be processed, and in 24 to 48 hours this will be reviewed. Then you can actually see your claimable tomato tokens. Then from there you can proceed forward to any more by performing some activities. So that's just how to go about it. It's going to actually ask you the number of friend referral you had when you started mining this airdrop. It's going to ask you how many keys you have and some other questions like that. So just make sure you prepare yourself. Make sure you have a screenshot of the home page of this airdrop when you open it, and that's just how to go about fixing this issue.